I'm upgrading to the Reolink PoE 8-channel NVR. This is the RLN8-410 model. Right now, I'm using an old Dlink 202L NVR. The max resolution is only 720p, so upgrading to the Reolink, which supports 4K high resolution live and playback, will be a massive upgrade. Alright, so let's take a look at the Reolink NVR. At the front, we have one 2.0 USB port, as well as your power LED and hard drive LED. At the back, we have the on-off switch, another 2.0 USB port. You have the VGA HDMI. There is the eSATA port. This is for expandable storage. You have your LAN port and 8 PoE ports. Since the Reolink has a pre-installed 2TB hard drive, the setup will be more compact and occupy less space. By the way, the 2TB is just the base storage. Maximum storage is 16TB, 8TB internally, and another 8TB externally with the eSATA port. All the ports are PoE, meaning each camera uses a single Ethernet cable for both power and data. You can access the NVR from the Reolink app or from a web browser. To view my current cameras, I'm using a free software called IP Camera Viewer, and I was able to add the Reolink cameras to my existing app. This way, I can keep viewing my old cameras along with these two new Reolinks. The goal will be to replace all of my cameras with Reolink, but one of these Reolink cameras for the RLN8 model cost around $90 on Amazon, and the NVR itself costs around $260 on Newegg or Amazon. I did purchase my Reolink NVR since last year, and it was $30 cheaper in 2024. I wish I had a good excuse for not setting it up until now, but I don't have one. Anyways, the NVR has smart detections to differentiate between humans, animals, or vehicles. It has zoom, auto tracking, two-way torque, motion triggers, and supports up to 20 users. Reolink does offer 2-year warranty, so with 1 year already gone in my situation, I should really go install this NVR, like right now. Okay. Hi.